It makes a weird sound.
What is that?
You don't need any help.
I didn't know, like, what was making the sound. She went down. Like, looking all the house to see. He knows how to open them, huh?
What is that? Oh, like your trash can. Ooh, choo
Thomas,
choo.
and he even makes a sound, I
Choo
think.
choo.
Check him out.
What's up? Okay, you want to open another one?
One of
We'll
these
open them
days,
at
I
the
need to
end.
Get the Thomas stuff out. I'm gonna try to make a little track. I'll just keep it in the
Grampy, more. Say more, Grampy. Tell Grampy more.
Yeah, well, let's do this. Okay, just one. Okay. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Look, so the elephant. Oh, look, there's what Doe wrote. He wrote, "Happy birthday, Clark. I love you, everybody. I hope you feel better." And Grampy said, "Gonna have a bunch of fun. Are you ready?" And he said he loves you so much. And Grammy said that she loves you and she's glad that you are in her life. It's like, I don't care.
I'm trying to watch Sparky open his presents.
Yeah, it's a box. Oh, never mind. Look at this one first. What is it? It's a book.
Woo!
Choo choo. Moose. Moo cows. Choo-choos? Choo-choos. Yeah, cool. What's in here?
They are hard.
Oink, oink.
What's that?
Bah, bah. Beep, 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 beep.
Damn.
Oh.
Oh, that was me.
Stop.
Oh, where's that from?
Those are from Grammy and Grammy.
Oh.
Okay, now you can open up.
Yeah. Hard one to do a few times to make it easier for him.
I saw you looking around at your target.
Well, Dad wasn't looking, so I was gonna put
Because
Dad.
it wasn't me.
Oh. No. Oh, boy. Oh.
Turn left a bit for this.
Might need a battery though.
I thought that came with that.
No, I had to put the batteries in grams.
They don't give you that?
It's a puzzle. It'll make noises. Is that cool?
Yeah, you know all about how to do those.
Yeah, we'll open it. We'll open it later, okay? I want to open that one.
Make sure I look at her the whole time.
Oh.
Drifting.
You get it?
Put my shield up.
Oh. Little five crusties.
Huh?
Need help?
Chip the floor.
Oh, that's one.
Here you go.
Oh, that
Drop
one?
something.
Maybe it was a toy plum or something. A hard one.
How did you notice there was something up there? These are so
I
light.
failed it.
It's out in the wall.
There, it's in the floor.
Oh!
Oh! Uh-oh, where'd it go?
Oh, what's that? Why you gotta rip it into little pieces? Can't you rip it into big pieces?
That one has a button too,
Push
somewhere.
it. Push it. Sing it. Grammy likes to sing it.
Mm-hmm. Downhill and round the bend, Thomas and his friends.
Real wood.
Okay, one time was enough.
Okay,
For me
next
to sing
toy. Right, you can't click it again and turn it off. Here.
Poor little buddy.
Open that one. We'll play with these after.
You're a good present opener.
Grampy, get his batteries out, okay?
Looks like
Nice.
is it gold or dwarf with like the thingies. He's just like giving up and what's the next one. Oh, what is that? Turn around. Animals. You can stick them on Grammy's fridge.
Magnet. We can put them by your letters and you can put them on a fridge.
Yeah, we'll open those in a second. You just got one more. Oh, heavy. Grammy?
Sorry about that. Wait, is there one? No, there isn't. Oh, yeah, there is. No crank on it.
What is it?
Where's barcode?
It's more trains.
Now you can keep all your little trains in there and not lose them, hopefully. I think it's, yeah, there's another one there. Oh,
Look. That's where you keep your trains.
That's a shiny one.
So I wonder how many you have to buy.
What'd you say?
I wonder how many you have to buy.
I don't know, but I thought that would be room for more in there than there is.
This one's cool. It's Henry. A little short Henry. Yeah, that's Thomas. Super shiny Thomas.
Uh-oh. Oh, the train.
Say thank you to Grammy and Grampy.
I'm gonna put batteries in here,
Gotta
okay?
get the train out of my shirt.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Say thank you. Say thank you to Grammy.
Get your nose.
Goodness knows. I'll take that as a thank you.
First things first.
Say thank you. Say thank you to Grammy.
Okay.
Say thank you to Grampy.
You're welcome.
Say thank you to Grampy.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Yeah. We understand.
Say thank you to Doe for watching. Say thank you to Doe.
Good boy.
I was gonna get something last night, but then I thought we weren't doing presents till the actual party, so.
Mom wanted to.
Clarky.
I didn't do mine either.
Clarky, Grandpa got camera.
Well,
Up here.
Look
Hey,
at
Clark.
Grampy.
Hey.
Look,
Look.
look at
I
Grampy.
probably
Hey,
spent
hoo-hoo.
more on him than I did the other day.
Oh.
So I kind of wanted him to go ahead and open them today, so other people wouldn't notice.
You want to play with your toys?
Yay, Clark! Yay, Clark! Birthday boy! Birthday boy! Look, birthday presents!
Maybe also getting bigger.
For Harriet?
Or her, yeah.
It does get bigger sometimes.
I thought it was like if it got bigger, it was just a.
Well, yeah, they said yes about that, but it's like it does like protrude more, but then it goes back in. So she has an appointment pretty soon, like another month or so, and I can still look at it. Yeah, I guess I don't think it really bothers her. The thing that concerns me more is how she's always. Well, I don't know. She really does it a lot. Oh, he lights up too.
Suffer with hearing.
Yeah, I wonder how long that lasts with the sound.
There's that question.
Harry would just take it down so it runs out. If you want your stuff on, I can play trains today if you want.
Let's sit.
Dad.
Get some pictures. Don't touch.
The same one? That was earlier. Clarky, smile. You like cupcakes?
Yeah.
Ooh, is it pretty?
Mm.
Okay. We gonna sing to you?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
One. Well, wait till till parent comes back.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Clarky. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Yeah, I turned it around so that
I know he wants to see too.
we can see it.
Okay, no touch. Okay, blow. Go. Blow.
Go. Oh,
Oh.
sorry.
Wow,
Right,
you were
that's
so
great.
far from it too.
Okay, can you blow? Blow the fire.
Blow it out.
Hot.
Blow it out. Yeah, blow it out.
Look at Grampy. Go.
He's just staring at it.
Blow.
Go. Blow it out.
Can you blow with your mouth? You want Grampy blow?
Grampy, help.
Help Grampy.
Get it, Clarky. Blow it out.
Blow.
Blow it out.
Blow.
Yeah, like you're blowing your nose. Go.
Blow your nose. Blow.
You just gonna let it burn? Burn, baby, burn, burn.
You want cupcake? You have to blow it out so you can eat the cupcake. No way.
No, I
huh?
just want to leave it.
Grampy, you might have to blow it out.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Help Grampy.
Yay!
Oh, come on.
Yay!
Yay!
He did the little airy face. He hasn't done that for a long time. Where he kind of like...
Want to lick it? Just lick. Don't bite. Just lick it.
Can put his bib on or...
Would you rather have the... Oh! There goes.
Can we scoot up? Okay, that's yours.
Eat it.
Want to eat? Tell Grampy if it's good, okay?
Smash it. Well,
It's like holding
Is that
it.
good?
Happy birthday, Clarky.
I always think I have holes in here, and I don't.
But
I do have little...
Nice lipstick.
You got the same color
Nice
as your
green.
blankie.
Nice green lipstick.
Green, green.
Mmm. Is it real yum?
You know there's cake underneath that icing too.
What lipstick are you wearing, Clarky? Oh, it's frosting number 5. Buttercream.
Ooh, that's a St. Patrick's
Yeah, sort of.
Day cupcake.
Oh,
Which one do you want, Dad? The orange or the blue?
I forgot about St. Patrick's.
Clarky?
Mmm.